Hello everybody, welcome back. Fumpler here, and today I have the third lock from the box I got from eBay. It's a TESA lock, 5 pins, is a bitting with a weird pin tip of the key. I don't know actually what that's for, maybe key control or so, but there's nothing active in there. It's a Spanish lock, model number might be TE5. Would make sense for 5 pins and so on. So maybe that's the case. And I already gutted one side, and I can show you the guts beforehand. And all of the key pins are overset traps. So if you overset them, it's hard to get out of them. And all the drivers seem like standards, but they're actually like tapered at the top. So you end up picking them multiple times sometimes. And I put pin 3 here in the core because, yeah, you really have to just lift it a little bit and have a look at the keyway. You could pick from this ledge here, but then you would end up oversetting all the time, so it's better to pick from the bottom. Maybe let's get the lock. And yeah, you pick, or at least I do now, that I pick from here. You cannot do a max lift, but then you can still wiggle around. But for this bitting, it's completely okay to pick from the bottom of the keyway, or from me, basically top of the keyway. So I could not pick this directly out of the box. I needed quite some time to get used to this lock. Tried a lot of pick profiles and using the SIG tensioner for multi-pick. In the end, it works for me with this steep hook in 0.4 millimeters for multi-pick. I tension clockwise and yeah, start from the back. Okay, I think I already set 2, 3 and 4 and 5 at the beginning. Maybe only pin 1 is hiding sometimes behind the tensioner here. Let's see. Okay, it was 2 again. Okay, picked 1 and we're open. Cool. Now let's get the circlip off. That should do it, yeah. Okay, I'll use a pinning shoe just because it's easier. Yeah. This is how much room you have for the security pins, so very little lifts. But Yeah, tapered drivers don't need much space to become effective, right? Oh, need a follower. Okay. Chamber 1. Yeah. Tapered driver. Same in 2, 3, 4, and 5. Yeah. So the internals were exactly the same on the other side. It's the one I showed previously, which I got it beforehand. And I guess you can say this probably was used on the outside because the pins are much more worn and exposed to the weather, I guess. So let's have a look at the key pins. Yeah, the same as on the other side. So, fun little lock. Really, this tapering can throw you quite off, and you need to be very gentle with the picking. The tension I would put rather high. It helps, but yeah, with 0.4 millimeter picks, you always have to be a little bit easy on the tension because they're just so flexible. Anyhow, let's have a look still at the core. Yeah, I really don't see how this weird tip of the key would interact with something. Not on this side and also not on this side. If you put the clutch here, there's really nothing that is for the key. Maybe this is just a trademark of TESA. I don't know. Let me know in the comments if you know. So anyhow, that's all I have on this lock. Thanks for watching and please subscribe and see you in the next video. Bye.